Here we are at the 23rd International Rubik's Cube Face-Off, and we have two boys here that are going to solve the Rubik's Cube. All right, now we have this under time conditions. So, are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, sure.
On your mark.
I'm ready for a couple years.
Get set, go. And they're off.
Of course we're off. I thought you said we're done already. No, bye. That'd be funny.
No, stop the trash talking. Just focus on your cubes.
I am. Done.
Done? Oh, so what's the time there? 1:50. Nathan's getting close.
We're gonna do this again though, and I'm gonna beat you the second time. Oh yeah.
Uh-oh.
You wanna say that again?
The trash talking starting already. Calm down. Let him focus. Done again. 2:11. Not bad.
That's the first time I beat it.
That's the first time?
Every other time he's beat me. But we're gonna do it again, because I probably didn't make enough. Oh, fine.
Alright.
You'll get payback for this buster.
Okay, with round one complete, there's a little dissension about who can actually solve the Rubik's Cube faster. So here we go. Are you guys ready for round two?
Yeah.
Alright, go.
You start before you said go.
A 1 second penalty there. We'll take that into account.
Hey, you're saying that. Done.
Hey,
Done.
2:08 and 2:11 within like 3 seconds of each other.
Wait, that's only 3 seconds, and I beat you by, let's see here. 21 seconds, thank you. Okay, we'll do it one more time for the tiebreaker. Fine.
A win's a win.
A win's a win, it's 1-1.
Okay, so mess them up.
Mess him up, Buster.
Okay, well the score is currently 1-1. This is the tiebreaker. The winner of this round will win the 23rd International Rubik's Cube Face-Off. On your mark, get set, go.
Boom, 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 chicka boom. You too. Done. Hey.
147, nice.
Done.
And 155. How about that? All right, it was a close competition, but
to five.
best of five. No. You guys will have to do that on your own. This international competition is coming to a close. Nice job, guys.
It was only by 2 seconds.